Hello everyone, welcome to Najla's Kitchen. Today we are learning how to make coconut balls. You will love these coconut balls because they are full of flavor, chewy, rich, and delicious at any time of the day. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's begin. Our coconut ball ingredients are 3/4 cup sugar, 2.5 cup coconut, 1 egg, 1/4 cup milk, half teaspoon vanilla, 2 tablespoons flour, half teaspoon baking powder. Heat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit.
Line up the oven tray with parchment paper.
Sift flour and baking powder. Add sugar and coconut to the flour. Whisk the egg. Add egg, milk, and vanilla to the flour mixture. Mix all ingredients. Now I'm going to use the scooper to have the balls be the same size and arrange the balls about 2 inches apart on baking sheet. Bake until lightly golden for 10 to 15 minutes. Cool on baking sheet for 1 to 2 minutes and then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question about the video or suggestion for future videos, please leave me comments below and don't forget to subscribe and like.